Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are going to look at part 2 of learning rhythm and reading notes. So hang out, stay tuned, and thanks for joining.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shahrzad. If this is your first time visiting, this channel is about teaching violin to kids and beginners. Today we're going to continue our lesson on the rhythm. Before we covered the quarter note, quarter rest, and 8 notes. Today we're going to practice on a half note, whole note, and the rests. So as you see, this one is a half note, and we have to count till number 2 plus and for that note. And this is a half rest. When you see this sign, we don't have to play for 2 beats. This one is a whole note. It has 4 beats. And this is a whole rest, so I have to be quiet for 4 beats. First, let's play one thing that it has a quarter and half note. If you are not sure about a quarter note or 8 note, please watch my other video and watch it later.
Yeah guys, check out part 1 on our playlist or check out any other videos we have that could help you out.
So first we gotta do just clapping without playing with the violin. I'm gonna say da for every note, or you can do it with any sound you like. So this one, the first one is a half note, so I have to do 2 beats for that, and it has a quarter note, so there are 1 beat. Da 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 da.
Learning to read the music sheets in these last 2 videos really helped me. You really can't do anything until you actually see the music and can understand what it is so you could play it. Super important.
So let's play the same thing with the violin. When I want to play a half note, I have to move my bow slower because I'm going to finish and my bow without playing the notes. The tempo again, you start at the beginning, it should be the same till the end. As you see, there is always a number at the beginning of any music. So 4-4, it means I have to count till number 4. I'm gonna count an empty measure and then I'm gonna start. You can pick any strings or notes that you like. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... As you see, when I want to play a half note, I slow down my bow. So this one is a whole note. It has 4 beats. So when I want to play that, I have to count till number 4. And this is a whole rest. I don't have to play and I have to be on silent for 4 beats. Again, this note is long, so I have to move my bow slower. That is my right hand. I'm gonna move it slower down and up. Let's get started with playing just without the violin first and just clapping. The first note is a whole note, so it has 4 beats. And it has also half note that there are 2 beats. The number at the beginning is 4-4, so I'm gonna count till number 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and da 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 So you have to be patient, that you cannot play the bigger note faster, and then the tempo you're starting should be the same from the beginning to the end. If you can't keep the tempo, please practice with a metronome. So now I'm going to do the same thing with playing my violin. For a big note, I'm going to move my bow slower.
Okay, I think I'm ready to try it with you. Everyone at home, let's try it together.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now that we already know about a whole note, half note, quarter note, and an eighth note, let's play something that includes everything. Let's play this one. If there are 8 notes, when I clap it's a note. When I open my clap it's another note. The sounds of clap is always the number. When I open my hands it's an and part. So let's play without my violin. So da 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 da. So let's play the same thing with your violin. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. If there is no rest, we don't have to stop between the notes. We also don't have to stop between the measures. When we can stop, that there is a rest. If there is nothing, please don't stop in the middle. Or you can write randomly a half note, a whole note, a quarter note, and an eighth note. And practice and improve your rhythm. Please let me know any question you have.
Hey guys, thanks for sharing your time with us. I got some extra videos that are going to come up at the end of this, so you can go ahead and click and learn some more lessons. Help us grow, subscribe. It means so much to us. Thanks again, guys. You're the best.